¿Qué tal, Fabiola? Hello, we're back. Here we are, ready for our reading class. Qué bueno verlos. Ay, hoy tengo más personitas con la cámara encendida. Esa es una alegría poder ver sus caritas. Las felicito. Lo felicita, señor Daniel. Excelente. Muy bien, cuando encendemos la camarita es más fácil que podamos ver si usted está entendiendo, si tal vez hay algo que no está muy bien comprendido porque se les ve en la carita. Ay, Carlitos, por eso es que es bueno encender nuestra cámara, para que podamos vernos y poder darnos cuenta si necesitamos ayuda, si estamos entendiendo, ¿ok? Así que felicito a los que encienden la camarita. Muy bien. Good job. Okay, I think we are ready to begin our class. Okay, sweeties, remember to open your book, reading book. We are on page 72. So look in your book for page 72. So we can be ready for our class. Okay, last details, and I'm going to silence your microphone, okay? Here we are. Okay, we are ready. Let's begin our class. Let's see. Let's see. Here we are. Full screen. Let me see. Can you help me by writing yes if you can see perfectly well the screen? Can we see it, sweeties? Yes. Thank you, Joanna Harrison. Very good. They said yes. Okay, today we are going to listen to some audios. Thank you, Mia. She said yes too. We are going to listen to some audios. Those audios, thank you, Tercita. She said yes too. Those audios are from the vocabulary section. So when you hear the audio, repeat the pronunciation, okay? That is the practice for today, repeating. And also listening comprehension. We are going to have another audio that is going to tell us the story from this unit. So we're going to have like a storyteller, someone that is going to read the story for us. So pay attention to the audios, repeat, listen, and try to understand everything that you hear from the storyteller, okay? So welcome to our reading class. The unit is birds, right? It's Tuesday, 22nd of September. I'm your teacher, of course, Miss Annie. Okay, so we are going to begin our reading class. Welcome. Let's begin with page 72. Open your books. We are on page 72. And we have 4 different kind of birds, right? Let's have a look at it. Ay, Daniel, excellent. Mira, Daniel, you already have the answers. Well done, Daniel. Maldonado, estamos listos. Very good, Daniel. Okay, but we are going to go one by one. Vamos a ir uno por uno, okay? So let's have a look. It says, warm up. What are these birds' names and sound? Okay, we need the name of the bird and how they sound. Okay, so let's see. Through the chat, you can help me just like Danielle did. Okay, we are going to see over here. Let's see. First, we have number 1. Number 1, the name is, Danielle already sent me the answer, but let's see, Adriana. Excellent, Adriana. Good job. The name of our first bird. Who can help me? We have 2 answers already. We have Daniel Maldonado and Adriana's. Very good, Fabiola. Te felicito. Good job. Okay, the name of our first bird is owl. It is called owl. And how about the sound? What kind of sound? Very good, Adriana. Excellent. Adriana says, very good, Danielle. And the owl hoots. Okay? That's the sound that the owl produces. It hoots. Okay, so we have owl. Let's repeat. Owl. Very good. Hoots. That's the sound. Okay, let's see number 2. Oh, this is difficult. Do you think it's difficult? What's the name of number 2? Very good. Danielle, Adriana, excellent work. I need more answers. Let's see the rest of my 4th graders. Very good, Mia and Carlitos. This animal, excellent, Fabiola, is called rooster. Excellent, well done. And the sound of the rooster, do you know, is a funny name. When you pronounce it, it's very funny. So what sound can we hear from the rooster? Very good, Adriana. Excellent. She was really ready. But let me see. Excellent. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. The rooster cockadoodles. You see how funny it sounds? Let's repeat. Rooster. Cockadoodle. Rooster. Cockadoodle. Very good. Okay, that's the sound. Let's see number 3. What kind of bird is this one? Excellent, Adriana, Fabiola, well done. Good job. Okay, they know the name of this animal. Very good, Herson and Greg. So this is a duck. And what sound do we have from the duck? Very good, Danielle, Adriana, Fabiola. Very good job. Excellent. So the duck quacks. Let's repeat. Duck quacks. Very good job. Excellent. And we have the last one. What's the name of this last bird? Who can tell me the name of this last bird? Let's see the last one. Excellent, Adriana, Herson, Fabiola, good job. Janina, well done. Excellent, Adriana. Okay, we have this bird that is called cuckoo. And the sound it produces has the same name. Cuckoo. Very good, Herson. So the cuckoo, cuckoos. Okay? Let's see, the owl hoots. The rooster cockadoodles. The duck quacks. And the cuckoo cuckoos. Okay, great, fantastic. Excellent. Finished, sweeties? Right? Yes, if you already finished, so I can erase it. Yes, it's Adriana. Who else finished? Let's see who else finished. Very good. Herson, he already finished. Fabiola. Okay, you already finished. Excellent. Now we can erase it. Here we go. Excellent work. This is page 72. Great job. Okay, excellent. Now we are moving to page 73. On the keywords, you are going to listen to an audio. Please repeat the pronunciation with the audio. Follow the audio, please. Let's see. Here we go.
Lesson 11.
Yes?
Birds in the Carnival of the Animals.
Can you hear it?
Key words: hen, rooster, green, cuckoo, woods, imagine.
Okay, sweeties. Let's see. Were you able to hear it? ¿Lo puede escuchar? Was it perfect? Mia says yes. Danielle says yes. Okay, excellent. Then we are going to hear it again. Pronounce with the audio. Repeat the pronunciation. Thank you, Adriana. She says yes. Muy bien. Gracias, chicos. Now let's pronounce. Vamos, let's repeat. One more time. Let's listen to the audio.
Lesson 11. Birds in the Carnival of the Animals.
Oh, this is our other story. I'm sorry. Let's see if we can play it one more time. Let's see. Here we go. Okay.
Lesson 11. Birds in the Carnival of the Animals.
Key words. Hen, rooster, green, cuckoo, woods, imagine.
Excellent. Okay, well done. I am sure you already repeat. You did perfect. Now we are going to find these words here in the puzzle. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds so you can have a look and find these words in your puzzle. While I'm going to play the audio one more time. But you have to look for the words here in the crossword puzzle. Okay, I'm going to play the audio so you can listen to the pronunciation of the words and you look for the words here in the crossword puzzle. And then we color them, okay? When you find them, use colors. Please, babies, not pencil, colors. You can color each word with a different color. Okay, if you already use the same one, it's okay. Same color or different colors is perfect. But use colors, okay? I'm going to play the audio one more time and you look for the words, okay? Here we go.
Lesson 11. Birds in the Carnival of the Animals.
Key words. Hen, rooster, green, cuckoo, woods, imagine.
Okay, I am sure you already found all the words. So now let's check together. Let's see, hen. Let's try to find our first word. Here it is, hen. Okay, let me just have a look over here. Let's do it again. Okay, let's see, hen. We are going to find the word hen. Let's have a look. Okay, number one is hen. Number two, rooster. Let's see if we found rooster. That's it. Here it is. Rooster, hen, and rooster. Then we were looking for green. Let's say green. Oh, here it is. I am sure you already found it. Here it is. Now, number four, let's look for the word cuckoo. You already know where it is, I am sure. But I'm going to look for it here on the crossword puzzle. Excellent, Elias. Elias already finished. Well done. Excellent. Very good job, Elias. Let's see, cuckoo. I found cuckoo over here. Yes, cuckoo. Here it is. Next one is woods. Let's look for woods. Oh, found it. Here it is. Check your work with me, okay? Person says he finished. Carlitos finished. Excellent. Well done. Very good. We already finished. Let's see the last word. You have to check your work with me, okay? So if you haven't found any word, then right now we are finding them together. So imagine, this is the last one. Imagine. Okay, there we are. Our 5 words have been discovered in our puzzle. Okay, excellent. There they are. Good. Okay, we are going to continue. So let's erase the answers. We are on page 73. Let's continue. Let's see, here we are in practice. Here you can help me and you're going to do it through the microphone. I know you want to participate, so we are going to do it through the microphone. How about that? Excellent, Carlitos. Carlitos is always ready to participate. He's always the first. Let's see Carlitos number 1. Let's see Carlitos number 1. Let's read and you tell me the answer.
Okay. Rice is a kind of grain.
Excellent, Carlitos. Well done. Excellent. Okay. Then we are going to circle it. That is the answer. Rice is a kind of grain. Very good job. Okay. Next one. Let's see Adriana. Excellent, Adriana. Number 2.
The hen lays eggs in her nest.
Excellent, Adriana. Well done. The rooster doesn't lay eggs. Remember, he's a boy. So the one that lays eggs is the girl, the hen. Okay, so we are going to circle number 2. Well done. Let's see. Santiago, can you help me with number 3, Santiago, please? Let's see if Santiago can help me with number 3. Can you turn on your microphone, Santiago, please? Okay, maybe Santiago is having trouble with his microphone. Let's see, Ricardo. Can you help me, Ricardo Gamero, with number 3, please?
The cuckoo is sitting on the branch.
Excellent, very good job. Very good job. Well done. Excellent, Ricardo. Okay, very good. The cuckoo. Here we go. There it is, number 3. Let's see number 4. There are many trees. Okay, Dieguito, help me with number 4. Let's see if Diego can help me. Diego Lopez, can you turn on your microphone? Yes, Dieguito, number 4.
There are many trees in the woods.
Excellent, Diego. Well done. Good job. Very good. There are many trees in the woods. We cannot say there are many trees in the hens, right? In las gallinas, it's impossible. So there are many trees in the woods. Number 5, the crane or the rooster is walking around the yard. Who is walking around the yard? Let's see if we have a volunteer over here. Yes, Mia, let's see. Number 5. Let's see, Mia. Yes, number 5.
The rooster is walking around the yard.
Perfect, Mia. Good job. The rooster is walking around the yard. Perfect. Very good job. And the last one, the girl floats or imagines what is in the box. Let's see who can help me with the last one. Let me find someone that can participate. Let's see, Rodrigo. Turn on your microphone, Rodrigo. The girl floats or imagines what is in the box.
The girl
Yes.
imagines
Yes.
what is in the box.
Perfect. Very good, Rodrigo. Well done. Excellent. Wow, los felicito, chicos. The girl imagines what is in the box. Excellent. Okay, here we have the answers. But before we turn on the page, I want you to repeat with me, please. Rice is a kind of grain. Let's read it together. 1, 2, 3. Rice is a kind of grain. Good job. Number 2, let's read it together. 1, 2, 3. The hen lays eggs in her nest. Number 3, with me, please. 1, 2, 3. The cuckoo is standing on a branch. Number 4, remember that we're practicing pronunciation. This is important. Okay, so let's read together. 1, 2, 3. There are many trees in the woods. Number 5. The rooster is walking around the yard. And finally, number 6, we are going to read together. The girl imagines what is in the box. One more time, number 6, right? Because imagine has sometimes kind of a difficulty in the pronunciation. Let's say, the girl imagines what is in the box. Okay, excellent, well done. Now we are going to erase the answer so we can continue to the next page. Excellent work, very good. Okay, here we are. Next page.
Birds in the carnival of the animals.
Okay, we are going to listen to this audio. I want you to pay attention and open your book on page 74 and 75 so you can follow the reading, okay? We are going to turn on the listening and you are going to follow the reading. Here we go.
Birds make beautiful sounds. Camille Saint-Saëns, a French composer, liked birds. He wrote The Carnival of the Animals in 1886. It has pretty songs about birds. One of the songs is Hens and Roosters. In this song, violins and pianos are played fast and loud. When you listen to them, you can hear chickens eating grain. The cuckoo in the woods is quiet and peaceful. You can imagine taking a walk in the woods. A clarinet makes a cuckoo's sound while you walk. In The Swan, a cello makes a slow, smooth sound. It sounds like a swan swimming on a lake. It is beautiful. Now go listen to the birds outside. Can you hear any of Saint-Saëns' songs?
Wow, this story is beautiful and the music is fantastic. It's amazing, it's relaxing, and it can really turn on your imagination. Okay, this story, it's about a person who composed a beautiful song called The Carnival of the Animals in 1886. There are several animals mentioned in this story. So let's answer the question. I need someone, but this is going to be a participation through the microphone. So someone can answer the question from Let's Focus. It says, which birds are in Camille Saint-Saëns' songs? Here in the story, they mention several birds, right? I want to know the names. Who can help me with one name of one bird mentioned in this beautiful story? Can someone help me? Raise your hand so I can turn on your microphone. I just need the name of the animals that are mentioned here in the story. These animals are birds. They are talking about these birds. Help me with the name of the animals. What are the name of these birds? Do you know the name of the birds mentioned in the story? Let's see, let me see, let me see. I need volunteers, or I can choose someone. Let me see if I can choose someone. That way we can do it faster. Let's see, we need someone that can help me. The name of one bird mentioned in this story. Let's see. Let's see, Marito, can you help me, Marito? The name of one bird mentioned in this story. Can you turn on your microphone, Mario, and tell me one name of one bird?
Swan.
Swan,
The
very
swan.
good. Excellent, marvelous, Marito. Very good. They mentioned the swan. Let's see another bird that was mentioned here. We need to see if we can find, let's see if we can find the name of another bird. Do I have volunteers that want to participate and tell me the name of one bird? Let's see who else can help me. Elias, do you know the name of one bird? Mira, here we mention one. Here is one. Let's see, Elias.
Hens.
Excellent, very good, Elias. We discovered another one. They are mentioning the hens. Very, very good, Elias. Good job. Very, very good. Okay, very good. Now let's find another one, the last one. Let's see if we can find another one. Cristiano, can you find another one? There's another one over here, next to hen.
Rooster.
Excellent, Cristiano, good job. Very, very good. Okay, as you can see in this story, they mention the name of different birds. Okay, because the story, the song that this lady created, it's about birds. Okay, now let's see, let's continue. And we are going to answer the questions on page 76. These questions are about the story that we just learned, that we just read. So let's have a look. Here you can help me through the chat. We are going to read the question and the answer. Yes, Carlitos, help me with number 1. Thank you.
Number 8. The 8.
Okay, but let's read the question, Carlitos. Let's read the question.
Okay. What is the passage mainly about?
Okay.
8. Different type of birds.
Okay, thank you, Carlitos. Okay, letter A is a part of the story, right? But it's not mainly about. Siempre acuérdense de esa palabrita, mainly, o sea, lo más importante. El pasaje le da algo sumamente importante, especialmente de eso está hablando, that passage. That is mainly. Type of birds es parte de la historia. But especially, we were talking about this composer. Oímos la música. It was about this composer, Camille Saint-Saëns songs about birds. So that is the answer. Thank you, Carlitos. Wonderful. Muy bien. Let's see. So the answer is letter B. Here we go. It was letter B. Camille Saint-Saëns songs about birds. Let's see number 2. Who can read and help me with the answer, please? Very good, Mia. Thank you.
What is hens and roosters like? The is the letter B.
Excellent. Thank you, Mia. Thank you very much. That's it. What is hens and roosters like? How are they? Slow and smooth? They are not slow. Quiet and peaceful? No, they are not quiet. The roosters, they are always singing in the morning. So the answer is, just like Mia said, letter B. They are fast and loud. Let's see number 3. Someone that can read for me number 3 and answer the question. Let's see who wants to read and answer the question. Do I have a volunteer, or I can look for someone that can help me? Let's see, Fernando. Can you help me, Fernando? With number 3, please. Can you help me, Fernando? Let's see if we have Fernando available. Dieguito Lopez. Okay, Diego, you can help me. Let's read Diego Lopez. Let's see, Dieguito.
What makes a cuckoo sound in the cuckoo in the woods?
What do you think? Violin, piano, or clarinet?
A clarinet.
Excellent, Diego. Good job. Very good. Okay. That's the answer. It was the clarinet. Very good job. Excellent. And the last one. Let's see who's going to answer the last one. Do you know the answer for number 4? Okay, someone that can read number 4 and give me the answer. Let's have a look. Okay, Adriana, do you know the answer, Adriana?
The sound of the swan is like a swan swimming on a lake.
Perfect. Very good, Adriana. Good job. Very good. Okay, this is what we read in the story, okay? The sound of the swan is like a swan swimming on the lake. Very good job. Excellent. Okay, these are the answers. We are going to erase them now so we can move on to the next page. Good work. Very good. Let's see, next one. True or false? Here we are, true or false. We are going to draw a check, okay? Here in true or false. We are going to see if it's true or false. Let's have a look. Number 1 says, Camille Saint-Saëns was from Italy. Here you can answer me on the chat. Yes or no? True or false? What's the answer? Camille Saint-Saëns was from Italy. Is it true or false? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good, Carlos. He says false. Very good job. Then number 2, violins and cellos are used in hens and rooster. I will give you this one. It is false. The violins and the cellos are not used with hens and roosters. Okay, let's see the next one. It says, what kind of sound does the cello make in the swan? It makes a slow sound. Here we are. It makes a slow, smooth sound. Okay, excellent. Well done. Let's continue then. Let's continue. Page 77, we have our graphic organizer, and we are going to complete the questions. Let's see, with your help, we have the song that is instrumental, sound, and image. We have the birds, hens and rooster, the cuckoos in the woods, and the swan. So instrumental, violins and pianos. What do we use for a cuckoo? Diego already said it. Diego Lopez said, what kind of instrument do we use for a cuckoo? So who can help me? What kind of instrument? For the hens and the roosters, we use violins and pianos. And for the cuckoo, we use, let's see if we have an answer over here. What do we use? Let's write it down on the chat. Let's write it down here on the chat. Let's have a look. Let's see. Let's see. The clarinet, says Dieguito. Very good job. Here it is. Excellent. The clarinet. Very good job. And for the swan, what are we going to use for the swan? Okay, I'm going to, yes, very good. There we have an answer. Excellent. We use the cello. Very good, Adriana. Good job. Then the sound of the hens and the roosters is fast, and remember how they sing in the morning. Excellent, Adriana. It is fast and loud. Of the cuckoo, the sound is quiet, and I'm going to help you here, and peaceful. Very quiet and peaceful. Okay, the image of the hens. Let's see. Here we have hens, and what other animal does this kind of animal eats green? Let's see what other animal. We have the chickens eating grain. Okay, here we are. We already completed them. We have clarinet, cello, loud, chickens, and peaceful here on the box, and we already write them here in our exercise. Well done. Okay. Let's continue. Let's complete our summary. That is our last exercise. We have swan, violins, birds, grain, and lake. Let's have a look over here. Let's see, Carlitos wants to help me. Okay, Carlitos, help me over here. Let's read the first one. Let's see if Carlitos can help me.
Camille Saint-Saëns wrote some song about birds
Excellent, around
and
birds.
their song.
Very good, and their sound. Excellent, Carlos. In this first song, hens and roosters. Hens and roosters, what do they do? Let's see over here. Hens and rooster, we use violins and pianos. Remember? Sounds like the chicken song. Then eating, what do they eat? They eat grains. And finally, we have our last two answers. That is the swan in this song. And finally, they all are represented in the lake. Okay, there we are. Excellent. These are the answers. We're almost done because time is running and it's almost over. Okay, here we are. We already finished the presentation and your participation was fantastic. So thank you very much for your participation. Okay, sweeties, that's all. And remember to send me your pictures, your photos, okay? Bye, sweeties. Gran clase, los felicito. Espero que todos hayamos terminado. Bye, mis corazones. Okay, in memory.
Bye, Miss.